Hello my dear kids, how are you? Hope you all are very fine, enjoying your classes, enjoying your lessons. Children, I am your teacher Safina and I welcome you all in my English class. Children, I am going to recite the poem we studied in the last class, okay? So listen carefully. I am the music man, I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I am the music man, I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play the piano, piano, piano. I am the music man, I come from far away and I can play. What can you play? I play the big drum, boom de boom de boom de boom, boom de boom, boom de boom, boom de boom de boom de boom, boom de boom, boom de boom. Piano, piano, piano. So children, have you enjoyed the poem? Okay, do you know the name of the poem? Do you remember the name? Yes, the name of the poem was I am the music man, having musical sound. The name of the poem was I am the music man. In that poem, what did we study? We studied that a boy was telling that I am a music man and I have come from far away and he knows to play the musical instrument like piano and drum. And we have seen many musical instruments in that lesson. In the last class, we have seen many musical instruments like guitar, piano, drum, violin, sitar, flute. Isn't it? So children, in the last class we have done many exercises and today also we are going to do some more exercises for this poem I am the music man. Okay children, let's start the exercises. Okay children, so our first exercise is rearrange the jumbled letters to form words taken from the poem. Children, all these words are taken from the poem only, but they are written in a jumbled way. The spellings are not kept in an order. They are in a jumbled way. You have to क्या करना है आपको उनको सीक्वेंस में लाना है, करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लाके यहाँ पे आपको स्पेलिंग करेक्ट वे में लिखना है. You have to correct the jumbled letters and form the words. Okay. So first one is SUMCI. Can you guess the word? Yeah, it is the word music. So how will you write it? So children, here you will write the correct spelling. M-U-S-I-C, music. M-U-S-I-C, music. Okay. Now I-O-P-A-N, what is it? Can you guess which is the word? Yeah, it is the word piano. So you will write here P-I-A-N-O, piano. Okay. Now M-U-R-D. Can you guess the word? Yeah, it is the word drum. So you will write here in a correct way D-R-U-M, drum. Okay. Now L-P-A-Y, it is play. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y. Okay, let's read out the words. Music, piano, drum, play. Okay children, let's move on to the next exercise. So here children, it is reading is fun. Now, what are the contents you have studied in the poem? From this, the question is formed. You have to give the answer. Okay. Some options are also given for you. Who came from far away. Who came from far away? The policeman, the milkman or music man? Yes, the music man has come from far away. कौन दूर से आया था? म्यूजिक मैन दूर से आया था, far away से आया था. What will you do? You will put a tick mark. Okay? Music man. This is the correct one. How was the drum? How was the drum? Drum कैसा था? Is it small, round or big? The drum was big. So you will put a tick mark here. Okay? What can he play? What can he play? What can the music man play? The music man can play the piano and drum. Piano and drum. This is the correct one. Okay? Let's do the next exercise. Look at the picture given and find the names of the musical instrument hidden in the grid. You can see here pictures. It is a drum, it is a guitar, it is a sitar, it is a flute, then drum and piano. So what you have to do now? You have to find the names of this musical instrument in this grid. And just you will circle it. Okay? You have to find the names of this musical instrument from this grid. इस grid के अंदर ये जो musical instrument है, इन सबके नाम इसमें छुपा हुआ है. You have to find it. Then we will circle it. Okay? So can you find the names? First you can see here D-R-U-M, drum. एक मिल गया drum. Where is drum? Here you can see drum. Okay? So you will circle the name like this, drum. Okay. Next, S-I-T-A-R, sitar. S-I-T-A-R, sitar. So you will circle here S-I-T-A-R, sitar. Okay. Now can you find some more? Can you find the name flute? Where is flute? See, F-L-U-T-E. मिल गया ना flute? So you will circle like this. Okay. Next, where is tabla? Can you find tabla here? Yes, T-A-B-L-A, tabla. T-A-B-L-A, tabla. Then what is left now? Piano. Piano is left. Where is piano? Can you find the name? Yes, P-I-A-N-O, piano. Anything is left now? Can you find? See, here drum is over, flute is over, sitar is over, tabla is over, piano is over. Now what is left? What is left? Here you can find guitar. Where is it? Yes, G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. So, you have learned all these spellings of drum, guitar, flute, sitar, tabla and piano. All these are musical instruments. Now children, our next exercise is look at the pictures and answer the question. You have to see the picture first. आपको पिक्चर देखने हैं. उस पिक्चर में से यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. You have to answer it. What is the shape of the ball? Can you see the shape of the ball? Ball क्या shape है? कौन सा shape है ball का? It is round. But actually it is a spherical shape. Okay children? But you can call it round also. So you can write here the shape of the ball is round. You can write the answer children. The shape of the ball is round. Okay children. Second question is how many colors are there in the ball? So first of all, you look at the ball carefully and you have to find what are the colors. Let's find out, children. Here you can see this is orange. Here red, green, blue, then white, then yellow. So how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. So you have to name the colors. Okay, children. How many colors are there in the ball? There are 6 colors. And what are they? They are orange, red, green, blue, white and yellow. So we will write now. There are 6 colors. In the ball. They are orange. What is the spelling of orange, children? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Then red. Then green, then blue, then after blue it is white, then yellow and yellow. Children, you can write the answer like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. There are 6 colors in the ball and they are orange, red, green, blue, white and yellow. Okay, what is the next question? Which games do you play with ball? Children, there are many games. They are football, cricket, volleyball, basketball, baseball, hockey and many more games are there which can be played with the ball. But we will write here some 3 or 4 names of the game. Okay, children? Answer we will write like this, children. We play football, volleyball, basketball, cricket, etc. with ball. Okay, children? And there are many more games which can be played with ball. So we will write here only football, volleyball, basketball, cricket and etc. That means there are many more games which can be played with ball. Okay, children? What is the color of the blackboard? What is the color of the blackboard? See, children, answer is given in the question only. Question में ही आपको answer है blackboard. Blackboard means it is in black color. Blackboard का color black है, इसलिए it is blackboard. So answer what will you write? Children, you will write the answer. The color of the blackboard is black. You can see the color of the blackboard is black. What is the shape of the blackboard? Now children, can you see what is the shape? ब्लैकबोर्ड का क्या शेप है? ये कौन सी आकृति है? इट इज ए रेक्टेंगुलर शेप, है ना? ये रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है. ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी ना दिस ब्लैकबोर्ड, टू ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये दो साइड एक ही बराबर है और ये दो साइड एक बराबर है. दैट मीन्स इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल. सो व्हाट इज द शेप? What is the shape of the blackboard? blackboard. The shape of the blackboard is rectangular shape. So how will you write the answer, children? The shape of the blackboard. The shape of this blackboard. Blackboard is rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle, children? R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. The shape of the blackboard is rectangle. Okay, children, let's go to the next exercise. Here, children, what you have to do, some words are given in the box, okay? And for you, some pictures are also given. So what you have to do, choose the name of our helpers. All these are our helpers. ये सब जो लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं, ये सब हमारे helpers हैं. अब हमको पता करना है इनका नाम. From this box, इस box में उन सभी के नाम लिखे हुए हैं. You have to read the sentence. उसके बाद आपको समझना है. Then you can see the picture also. It will be very easy to find their names. First is milkman, doctor, teacher, driver, tailor, pilot and carpenter. So first sentence is, I make things of wood. I am a dash. The person who makes things of wood like table, chair, doors, windows, what do we call them? Yes, carpenter, the person who makes things with wood. टेबल बनाते हैं, चेयर बनाते हैं, फर्नीचर बनाते हैं, डोर्स एंड विंडो बनाते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? कारपेंटर. You can see here, children, one carpenter is standing here. So what is the spelling of carpenter? You can find here from the box. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. You have to write here, okay? C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. carpenter. आप इसका स्पेलिंग कैसे याद करेंगे? C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. carpenter. I sell milk. मैं दूध बेचता हूँ. I am a dash. कौन है जो दूध बेचता है? उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? We call him a milkman. So here you can see one milkman with his milk can. Can में milk लेकर खड़ा हुआ है. He is a milkman and you can find the name here, milkman. What is the spelling? M-I-L-K, milk, M-A-N, man, milkman. Okay. I fly an aeroplane. I am a dash. मैं एरोप्लेन चलाता हूँ. मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, pilot. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. See, यहाँ पे देखिए पायलट कैसे प्लेन उड़ा रहा है. Yes, you can write I am a pilot. I treat people when they are ill. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब कोई बीमार होते हैं, जब लोग बीमार होते हैं तो मैं उन्हें ट्रीट करता हूँ, उनका इलाज करता हूँ. कौन है? Yes, doctor. I am a doctor. You can find here D-O-C-T-O-R. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. I stitch clothes. मैं कपड़े सिलता हूँ. I am a dash. मैं कपड़े सिलता हूँ या मैं कपड़े सिलती हूँ? Anyone? कौन है? उन्हें क्या कहते हैं हम? Yes, tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. I drive vehicles. I am a driver. D-R-I-V-E-R. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. Okay. Here driver you can see. I teach students. I आई एम अ डैश, मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ या मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ, तो मैं कौन हूँ? यस, आई एम अ टीचर. You can write here, you can find teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. I teach students, I am a teacher. I teach students, I am a teacher. Okay children, I make things of wood, I am a carpenter. I sell milk, I am a milkman. I fly an aeroplane, I am a pilot. I treat people when they are ill, I am a doctor. I stitch clothes, I am a tailor. I stitch clothes, I am a tailor. I drive vehicles, I am a driver. I teach students, I am a teacher. Read the sentences and rewrite them into plural form. Now children, what you have to do? Some sentences are given. And the words in these sentences, the name of some words are given and they are in singular form. Okay. You have to change those words in plural form and you have to rewrite the sentences. Make other changes wherever necessary. If some changes have to be done, you can do it. Okay. Some other changes, if it is necessary, that also you can do it. One has been done for you. For example, the cat used to chase the mouse. Cat क्या करता है? हमेशा माउस को चेस करता है, चूहा को. The cats used to chase the mice. So here cat and mouse is a noun and they are in singular form. एक cat है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे एक mouse है. Okay. अब we have to make it plural. क्या करना है उसको? एक से ज्यादा अगर कैट होते तो क्या लिखना है, और एक से ज्यादा माउस होगा तो क्या लिखना है? The cats used to chase the mice. तो यहाँ पे चेंजेस किस में आया है? cats और mice. Second is wipe the glass clean. क्या करना है आपको? यहाँ पे नाउन कौन सा है? नेम ऑफ ए थिंग, इट इज अ ग्लास. अब ग्लास इज इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म, ये एक ग्लास है. अब एक से ज्यादा जब हो जाती है तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? वाइप द ग्लासेस क्लीन. यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस, वाइप द ग्लासेस, GLASSES, ग्लासेस क्लीन. ठीक है. माई बुक इज मिसिंग. यहाँ पे कौन सा सिंगुलर वर्ड है? बुक. ठीक है. अब इसको आपको प्लूरल बनाना है. एक से ज्यादा बुक हो जाएंगे तो व्हाट विल यू राइट? माई बुक्स. और क्या चेंज करना है आपको? ईज को आर कर देना है. माई बुक्स आर मिसिंग. तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे बच्चों? माई बुक्स are missing. Alright. Now we will see the last one here. The thief stole the goat. यहाँ पे thief यानी कि चोर एक है और goat एक है. अब आपको इसको प्लूरल में बनाना है. एक से ज्यादा अगर thief चोर होंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे, और एक से ज्यादा goat होंगे तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? What will you write? The thieves, the plural form of thief is thieves and the plural form of goat is goats. So how will you write? Here you have to write like this. The thieves, T-H-I-E. In place of F you have to add V-E-S in the plural form. Okay. The thieves stole, यानी कि चुराया. क्या चुराया? बकरियों को. The goats. एक से ज्यादा बकरियां हैं यहाँ पे. Goats. Okay. The thieves stole the goats. Okay children. Here the girl helped the lady. यहाँ पे कौन कौन सा वर्ड सिंगुलर है? गर्ल और लेडी. तो एक से ज्यादा गर्ल होंगे तो गर्ल्स एंड एक से ज्यादा लेडी होंगे तो लेडीज. तो वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. आप कैसे लिखेंगे? द गर्ल्स, ओके. हेल्प्ड, HELPED, हेल्प्ड. यहाँ पे कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा. द लेडीज में चेंज होगा, लेडी में LADIES, लेडीज, ओके. कट द रोप विथ द नाइफ. यहाँ पे कौन कौन से वर्ड सिंगुलर में है? रोप यानी कि एक रस्सी है, नाइफ यानी कि एक छुरी है. कट द रोप्स, जब प्लूरल होंगे तो इट विल बी रोप्स. देन नाइफ का प्लूरल फॉर्म इज, the plural form of knife is knives. So you have to write like this. Cut the ropes, ROPES, ropes. Cut the ropes with the knives, KNI. In place of FE you have to write VES, okay. Cut the ropes with the knives. Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Okay, now children, what you have to do, read what Aryan is saying. One boy is there named Aryan, okay. एक लड़का है जिसका नाम है आर्यन. And what is he saying? वो क्या बोल रहा है? Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. वो क्या बोल रहा है? The sentence is incomplete here. You have to complete it. Choosing the correct word which is given inside the bracket. Two words are given inside the bracket. You have to choose the correct one and you have to fill up the blanks and complete this passage. Okay. One has been done for you. Like this. For example, here, hello, my name is Aryan. मेरा नाम आर्यन है. यहाँ पे I और he दिया गया है. Which is the correct one? It is done for you children. I. Here I is correct. I live in Port Blair. Okay. Now like this you have to choose the correct one and fill up the blanks. My father is a teacher. Dash teachers in Carmel School. What will you write? He or you? Which is the correct one? He. Because here father. Father है तो उसके लिए होगा he. You can write here he. HE, he. Okay. He teaches in Carmel School. My mother is a nurse. मेरी मम्मी जो है नर्स है. Dash takes care of patients. वो क्या करती है? पेशेंट्स का टेक केयर करती है, ध्यान रखती है. तो here he or she will come. कौन सा वर्ड आएगा? he आएगा कि she आएगा? Yes, she. She is the correct one. She takes care of patients. I have two sisters, Anvesha and Aishwarya. Okay? मेरी दो sisters हैं, Anvesha और Aishwarya. Dash study in class 5. They or it. यहाँ पे two names are there. That means they are plural. Plural form में है, दो name है Aishwarya और Anvesha. तो उसके लिए it आएगा कि they. What will you write? Yes, they. You have to write they. THEY. They study in class 5. Dash study in class 2. I or it. मैं class 2 में पढ़ता हूँ तो you will write here I. My school bag is new. यहाँ पे it or she. Which is the correct one? Looks like a pumpkin. Here it is telling about a school bag. School bag के बारे में बताया गया. तो she is not the correct one. It is the correct one. You will write here it. It looks like a pumpkin. Okay, children. Have you understood this? So, children, you will note down all these exercises in your notebook, and you have to read again and again so that you can understand it properly. Okay, children. Here, read the clues and find out answers from the box. Children, one box is given, you can see, and some words are given in this box: tree, bee, squirrel, comb, table, and coconut. What you have to do? It has 3 eyes. You have to read this sentence. It has 3 eyes but can't see. Answer for this sentence is written coconut. ओके, इसका आंसर है कोकोनट। तो आपको क्या करने हैं, बाकी सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ने हैं एंड फॉर दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड द करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम दिस बॉक्स। ओके, इट हैज लेग्स बट कांट वॉक। उसके पैर हैं लेकिन चल नहीं सकता। क्या है वो? टेबल। टेबल के पैर है ना, 4 पैर होते हैं, 4 टांगे होती है, बट कैन टेबल वॉक? नो। So answer is table. T-A-B-L-E table. मजा आ रहा है ना बच्चों? It runs fast. बहुत तेज दौड़ता है, वो जो है बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। And loves nuts. और उसे nuts बहुत पसंद है। यहाँ पे ढूंढिए कौन सा वर्ड आएगा? Tree, bee, squirrel, comb और coconut. Coconut is over and table is also over. So which is the correct one? Yes, squirrel. गिलहरी। गिलहरी तो बहुत तेजी से दौड़ती है ना, बहुत तेजी से दौड़ती है और उसे नट्स जो है पसंद है, मूंगफली पसंद है, काजू पसंद है, जितने भी नट्स होते हैं जो स्क्विरल को बहुत पसंद होते हैं। तो आंसर इज स्क्विरल। यू राइट हियर SQUIRREL squirrel. Okay. It is a good home for birds. So what are the words left there? You can see first we will see what are the words left there. Okay. Squirrel is over, table is over, coconut is over. Okay. Now 3 words are left. So which will be the correct one? It is a good home for birds. B is not correct. Comb is not correct. Yes, tree. पेड़ जो है चिड़ियों के अच्छे घर है। चिड़ियों के घर तो पेड़ में ही होते हैं। सो आंसर इज ट्री। TREE ट्री। ओके। इट स्टिंग्स, काटता है, डंक मारता है, बट इट गिव्स अस समथिंग स्वीट। वो जो चीज है वो बहुत तेजी से हमें डंक मारता है लेकिन हमें क्या देता है? बहुत मीठी सी चीज देता है। व्हाट इज इट? यस, bee, madhumaki. Tree is also over now 2 words are left. One is bee, we will write now. So children, the correct answer is B. Okay, so only one is left. It has many teeth. इसके बहुत सारे दांत हैं, बट कांट बाइट, लेकिन हमें काट नहीं सकता। यस, इट इज कॉम्ब, कंघी। ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी विल रीड वंस अगेन। इट हैज लेग्स बट कांट वॉक, टेबल। इट रन्स फास्ट एंड लव्स नट्स, स्क्विरल। इट इज अ गुड होम फॉर बर्ड्स, ट्री। इट स्टिंग्स बट इट गिव्स अस समथिंग स्वीट, बी। It has many teeth but can't bite, comb. Okay children, let's move on to the next exercise. Here now fun time. अब हम मजे करेंगे और खेलेंगे। चलिए देखते हैं हमें क्या करना है। Fun time. Help the rabbit. Can you see the picture children? Help this rabbit. एक rabbit यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ है। To find his way to the carrot. अब उसे पहुंचना है अपने गाजर के पास, क्योंकि रैबिट को गाजर बहुत पसंद है। अब उसे गाजर खाना है लेकिन रास्ता बहुत कठिन है। अब हमें इस रैबिट को पहुंचाना है उसके गाजर तक। पहले आप ध्यान से देखेंगे पिक्चर को और रास्ता ढूंढते हुए इस रैबिट को गाजर तक पहुंचाना है। ठीक है, तो चलिए बच्चों, अब इस जो भूखे रैबिट है उसको हम गाजर तक पहुंचाते हैं। चलिए, रैबिट यहाँ से चलते हुए निकलता है, ऐसे 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 जाता है। ठीक है, इसके रास्ता चलिए यहाँ से हम इसको यहाँ से ले जाते हैं। रास्ता कहीं बंद नहीं मिलना चाहिए हमें। ठीक है, रास्ता कहीं ब्लॉक नहीं होना चाहिए। सीधे हम लेके चलते हैं इसे अपने गाजर के पास। चलिए फटाफट पहुंच गए। अब ये रैबिट अपना गाजर को खा लेगा and he will be very happy now. So children, have you enjoyed this game? Okay children, all these games you can play with your friends or with your brothers and sister at home. Okay children, now I hope that you all have enjoyed this lesson. You have enjoyed all the exercises and I think you have learned by heart the poem also. I am the music man. Okay children. Okay, I want the children, you will read the poem again and again. You will practice the exercises and we will meet in the next class children. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.